Good day, sir, madam. My name is Pamela Berbigal, 23 years old. I was born in November 3, 1987. I'm 5 flat in height, 53 in weight. I'm a high school graduate and I'm single. I can do all around household work, looking after aged people. My work experience in Doha, Qatar, in 1 year and 4 months. There are 4 in the family, 1 couple and 2 children. I do clean the house, mopping the floor, washing the dishes and clothes. Sometimes I cook a simple Filipino food and I want to learn how to cook a Chinese food. For the children, my duties and responsibilities: giving them food, prepare the school uniform, sometimes bring them to the farm, and pick them to school.
Please answer the following questions. Do you smoke?
No, madam.
Can you prepare and eat pork?
Yes, madam.
Are you ready to extend your contract after 2 years?
Yes, madam. Sir, madam, I'm honest, hardworking, and obedient worker. I've promised to do my job and obligations as a domestic helper. Thank you and see you soon.